Whew. Wow, Lisa was right. She said today was going to be an absolute scorcher. We have to be careful.
It is so hot, Dad. Can we get some ice cream soon? Please?
Soon, Jake, but first remember what Mom said. We must stay hydrated.
What does hydrated mean? A, to be very energetic. B, to have enough water in your body. C, to be very thirsty.
I'm drinking my water. See, it's almost all gone.
Good girl, June. Dad, how are you doing? Do you need some more water?
Oh, I'm fine, Mark. Don't worry about me. I want to see the kids on the Ferris wheel.
Oof, the line is pretty long, and there really isn't much shade over there. Are you sure, Dad?
Ha, of course. A little sun never hurt anyone. Let's go.
Pooh, the sun is really beating down on us today.
When we say the sun is beating down, it means it is shining very brightly and feels very, very hot.
Ugh, Dad, the air feels like it's coming out of an oven. It's hard to breathe.
I know, Jake. The humidity is making it worse. Dad, you've stopped talking. Are you okay?
I think I just need to sit for a second. The music is just too loud.
Let's find a bench. You look flushed. Your face is very red, Dad.
Whoa, that's strange. The ground feels like it's moving.
Dad, you look a bit pale. Are you okay?
I feel a little lightheaded, Mark. Everything is spinning.
What does it mean to feel lightheaded? A, to feel dizzy or faint. B, to have a headache. C, to feel very happy.
Dad, take it easy. Sit down right here. Oh man, you're shaking.
It's just so hot. I can't catch my breath. My heart is racing.
His pulse is thundering. Dad, stay with me. Look at my eyes.
Dad, look at his hands. They are shaking so much.
He's going into shock. Hey, I need help over here. Is anyone a doctor? Does anyone have ice? My father is collapsing.
Dad, is he going to wake up? Daddy, why isn't he answering me?
He's just overwhelmed by the heat, June. Quick, take off your hat and fan him. Move the air.
Wake up, Grandpa. I'm fanning you as hard as I can.
Jake, go find a worker. Tell them we have a medical emergency. Dad, stay with me.
Dad, look, his skin is really red and hot.
Oh no, he isn't even sweating. That's a bad sign. He's having a heat stroke.
What is heat stroke? A, a severe sunburn. B, a life-threatening illness from overheating. C, a minor fever.
I'm a fare safety officer. What happened?
My dad collapsed. He stopped sweating, he's confused, and his pulse is very fast.
Code red. I have an elderly male, possible heat stroke. He is disoriented.
What does disoriented mean? A, confused and lost. B, very tired and sleepy. C, angry and upset.
We need a stretcher and a medic at the Ferris wheel immediately.
Dad, can you hear me? Look at me. Oh gosh, his eyes are rolling back. Medic!
He is semi-conscious. He's drifting in and out. We need to act fast.
What does semi-conscious mean? A, deeply asleep. B, partly awake or aware. C. Fully awake but quiet.
Jake, June, look at the Ferris wheel for a moment. Don't look at the medic.
Is he going to wake up, Daddy? He looks like he's sleeping.
We are taking him to the cooling tent immediately to lower his temperature.
A cooling tent? What exactly is that?
It is a special medical area with air conditioning and ice packs to treat heat emergencies. I'm administering an oxygen mask. His breathing is shallow.
What is an oxygen mask? A. A mask to hide your face. B. A device to provide clean air for breathing. C. A tool for swimming underwater.
They're putting him on the bed. Can we come with you?
Keep the path clear. We need to move fast. Keep talking to him. Don't let him drift off.
Dad, we're right here. You're gonna be okay. Just keep breathing. I should have forced him to drink more. I feel so bad for not watching him closer.
Hey, don't blame yourself. Heat stroke can be tricky. It happens much faster than people realize.
It's freezing in here. Is this temperature safe for him?
We have to cool him down fast. It's the only way to protect his brain.
Mark, where are the kids? Are they safe?
The kids are safe, Dad. They're right outside. The medic is helping you now.
His pulse is starting to stabilize. We're monitoring him closely.
Whew, thank you. Look at all these machines. I never thought our fun day would end like this.
I remember the Ferris wheel, and then everything went black.
You had a very serious episode, sir. You need to stay here so we can watch you.
You gave us a real scare, Dad. I'm just so glad you've turned the corner.
To turn the corner means that someone's health was getting worse, but now it is finally starting to get better.
I feel much better, Mark. I'm sorry for all the trouble.
Ha ha ha, no trouble at all, Dad. But Lisa was right. You really need to listen about the heat.
He's recovered well, but he needs total rest. That was a very close call.
A close call is an idiom for a situation where something bad almost happened but was avoided. Can you walk to the car, Dad? Or should we ask for a golf cart?
I think I can manage a slow walk, as long as Jake and June stay by my side.
I'm not letting go, Grandpa. I'll be your anchor.
Oh boy, I have 5 missed calls from Lisa. She's going to be so worried.
I'll tell her I was the brave scout who found the medic.
Where are they? They should have been home an hour ago.
We're home, and we have a very tired passenger.
Oh my goodness! Dad, what happened?
He had a heat stroke, Lisa. It was a very serious situation.
I knew it! Mark, did the medic say he needs a prescription?
No prescription, just lots of rest and electrolytes to help him recover.
What are electrolytes? A. Minerals that help with hydration. B. Vitamins for bone growth. C. Sugars that give you energy.
I feel like a bit of a burden, making you all leave the fair early.
Dad, don't say that. We are just so glad you're safe.
Mommy! I gave him my water. I helped.
You were a little hero, June. I'm so proud of you.
They both did a great job. It was a real test of our family teamwork.
I've learned my lesson. Always listen to Lisa.
Ooh, it was a long day, but we made it through together.
Class is in session. Let's see how much you learned from our emergency at the fair. hydrated. B. To have enough water in your body. Lightheaded. A. To feel dizzy or like you might faint. Heat stroke. B. A dangerous condition from overheating. Semi-conscious. A. Being partly awake or aware. Oxygen mask. B. A device to provide clean air for breathing. Electrolytes. A. Minerals that help with hydration.
Now, let's review our idioms from the story. Beating down means the sun is shining very brightly and is very hot. Turn the corner means you are finally starting to get better after being sick. A close call is a situation where something bad almost happened but was avoided.
Before we go, answer this in the comments. I finally turned the corner when, and tell us your story. Keep practicing, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Goodbye, everyone!